and welcome to Let's Make It Vegan. Before we begin, please comment, like and subscribe to this new vegan food vlog. Supporting us on Patreon will enable us to produce even better videos and enable us to create more unique and tasty vegan dishes to share with the vegan community. In this edition, we will be making an unbelievably tasty vegan vegetable curry, or what we refer to as the epic vegan vegetable curry. The following ingredients will be needed. Please note, the ingredients for this vegetable curry is in the description below. 4 tablespoons canola oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, 1/4 to half bell pepper chopped, 1 can or approximately 240 grams cooked lentils, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 large carrot sliced into rings, 3 medium-sized potatoes diced in bite-sized pieces, 1 large sweet potato diced into bite-sized pieces, 3 to 4 medium-sized zucchini chopped, 1 cup bite-sized cauliflower florets, 1 cup bite-sized broccoli florets, half a cup baby spinach leaves, 3 to 4 tablespoons unbelievably spicy curry powder. Please see the link below. 1 can coconut milk, 1 can chopped peeled tomatoes, 1 can drained and rinsed chickpeas, 1½ teaspoon garam masala, 2 bay leaves, 2 cups vegetable broth, low sodium if possible, salt and pepper for seasoning, half a cup corn kernels, and half cup peas. Let's prepare the curry spice mix. In a blender, combine the coconut milk, canned tomatoes, and the unbelievable curry powder at medium speed until smooth, and set aside for use a little later. Now let us prepare the vegetable mix. In a large saucepan or stock pot, add the oil and heat to medium heat. Add the mustard and cumin seeds and let them fry to release oils. Immediately add the onion and garlic and saute until soft. Add the chopped bell pepper and saute with the onions and garlic. When it's tender, add the chopped tomato and saute until soft. This will take approximately 4 minutes. Add the cooked lentils and saute for approximately 5 minutes. Add a dash of vegetable broth if the pot is dry and bring to boil. Now add the carrots, potatoes, sweet potato, zucchini, cauliflower, broccoli, and steam with the pre-fried vegetables and dash of vegetable broth for approximately 8 minutes. Add the blended curry spice liquid and combine with the vegetables and mix thoroughly. Add the cilantro leaves, the chickpeas, peas, and corn kernels, and add the remainder of the vegetable broth. Combine thoroughly until all the vegetables are covered. Add some boiling water if needed. Add the garam masala and 2 bay leaves. Bring the curry to a boil and reduce the heat to simmer, and simmer for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes until all the vegetables are tender. Once cooked, remove the bay leaves and add the baby spinach and simmer for approximately 5 minutes longer to render the leaves completely wilted. Now let's prepare the rice. In this recipe you can use your favorite rice such as a long grain or basmati rice. To make perfect rice, use the absorption method. Use the following rice to water ratio. We use 1 cup to 2 cups. That's 1 cup rice to 2 cups water. That means 2 cups rice will warrant 4 cups water. For every cup of rice, you will need to add 2 cups water. Rinse the rice in a sieve or fine strainer and wash over running water until the water runs clear. We are using 2 cups rice. Add the rice to 4 cups cold water to a medium-sized saucepan or cooking pot. Add 5 cardamom pods, 1 star aniseed and half a teaspoon dried ground turmeric. Cover with a lid and bring the rice and spices to a boil. Do not remove the lid at all. Immediately, reduce the rice mixture to a simmer for no longer than 15 minutes. Remove from stove and do not remove the lid. Then let the rice cool down for approximately 10 to 15 minutes before removing the lid. Now remove the cardamom pods and the star aniseed. Using a fork, toss the rice so that it appears to be loose and fluffy. Serve the curry vegetable stew on a bed of rice with your favorite sambal.